my name is Aaliyah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my content planner on Notion. I'll have the free template linked in the description. Okay, so I've mentioned before that I love Notion so much. It's just the best productivity and organization tool ever. And that includes content planning. This content planner has just helped me so much in starting my content creation journey. It's helped me with getting all of my ideas down, planning when I'm going to film, edit, and upload. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is my content planner. And as you can see, this is my YouTube banner, which obviously you can change. And you just do that by clicking change cover. And then this icon here, I just did a calendar because it's a content planner. And you can change that as well. And you can also change the title of it, content planner, to whatever you want. So on this sidebar here, it says social media. So you've got YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and then overall following and email list. And you can delete any of these if you want. So just going up to YouTube, when you click on it, it takes you to a page. And the first thing is my channel. So if you click on it, it will take you to my channel, but you can edit it by clicking edit, and then you just change the URL link. And then the next one is a page for YouTube following. And so on here, it's just for you to track your following on YouTube. So basically down the side, it just has the milestones, and when you reach them, you just put in a tick to say that you've achieved it, then the date that you achieved it. And then going back to the YouTube page, there's the analytics tracker. This is just to track your analytics, and I kind of do it every few weeks. And I just write down my subscriber count, my views, and my watch time. And I think that might be helpful in the future. So going back, then there's just any other ideas that you might have that you want to put down for your YouTube. So going back to the content planner, there is TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram. So they're basically all the same. And then if we go to overall following, it comes up with a massive table so that you can track all of your following. So it's got the milestone on the side, and then each platform. Then the total, the date, reward if you want to reward yourself, and then just any other notes that you might have. And then last thing is email list. So it's just tracking how much people you've got on your email list. And so underneath social media, it's just any other ideas that you might have for your content or just your brand in general. And then I just wrote in my content pillars. So I kind of just corresponded it to an emoji. So then this is the content calendar, and it just shows you when specific content needs to be uploaded. And if you wanted to change the date of when you're uploading, you can just click it and move it over, which is super nice and easy. And that is the content calendar. And on to the next thing. So the project tracker. So this shows all of your ideas, your in progress projects, and your completed projects. So this project tracker is linked to the content calendar. So basically all of these ideas or content are linked to the content planner, but they will only show up if you give it a live date. So for example, if I were to pick positive quotes, I just click open. This is the positive quotes content idea. And so basically the status is scripting and the live date is empty. So you click on empty, and then you can pick the day when you want to upload it. So if I click the 30th and put that away, then go up and there it is. And if you wanted to take it off, you just click it, and where it says live date, April the 30th, you just click it and go down the bottom where it says clear. And then it's gone now. So basically on the project tracker, it has the title of that piece of content, the status of it, so you can click on it and it will show you all of the options. So idea, research, scripting, filming, editing, scheduled and uploaded. And then platform, click on it, and there's YouTube, IG Reels, IG Post, and TikTok. Then the tags. So this can be helpful if you want to know exactly what that piece of content is about. And then the live date over here. And then if we go onto the in progress projects tab, you just click that and then it'll come up with all of your content that's in progress. And on here there's also music and sponsor if you have a sponsor for that video or piece of content. And then completed projects. So these are just everything you've uploaded. So as you can see, the status says uploaded for all of them. And on here, there's also URL, so you can link that video or piece of content and then live date again. So that is the project tracker. Next is the YouTube project tracker. So on here, we've got YouTube ideas. So these are just all of your ideas, the status, tags, live date, music, sponsor. And it only shows 10 of my content ideas, but you can just click load more and it will load more. And then if you want to collapse it again, you just click these 3 dots, go to load limit and click 10 pages. The maximum is 100 pages. I just think it looks a lot more tidy because there's a lot on this page. The next tab on the YouTube project tracker is YouTube status board. And this is the one that I use the most. I just love the look of it. I don't know. I also made it rainbow order because I'm a little bit OCD with rainbows. But it looks pretty, I think. So, I mean, you can change it if you want. So you just click the 3 dots and then you can change the colors. So basically, we have each piece of content throughout the content journey. So it goes from idea to research to scripting, filming, editing, scheduled and uploaded. And you can easily move things from one to the other, which is super cool. So as you can see, there are different emojis for all the different types of content. So basically, each of them are for my different content pillars. So it's just another way that I can easily organize my content. And so that is the YouTube project tracker. And the next one is TikTok project tracker. And these are my TikTok ideas, the title, status, same stuff. And then the next one is TikTok status board. Next is the Instagram project tracker. So starting with IG Reels ideas. I actually don't have any ideas at the moment because I've been mainly focusing on my YouTube. And then the next one is IG Reels status board. Again, nothing. And then IG posts. So these are the different ideas that I have. So next is music. So basically it's just your own little song library. So you can come back to it so that you have that music there that you want to put on your content. So basically just the name, the artist, the video you've used it in, any notes, and the link to it. So last is pages. So the first one is video editing. So for this page, I just use it so that I remember all of the dimensions and all of the details about my video editing. But you can obviously delete this if you want, just delete the information and you might still like to use this page. The next page is content brain dump. So I really love this page because whenever you just think of some kind of content idea, you can just quickly write it out here so that you don't forget it. And so I find that quite helpful. And then so the last page is extra, so just any extra things you want to put on it. Okay, and so lastly, I'm going to show you how to do new content ideas. So basically, you just click new. So I'm just going to put it straight onto scripting. So you just click new, and then it comes up with this, and type a name. So I'm just going to do example. And then to go onto this page, you just click this, open in side peek. And if you wanted to make it full screen, then you can just click this button over here. And basically what comes up are these templates. So they're all different because I like to have different colors for each of my content pillars. So this emoji is me and my life. This one is entrepreneurship. This one is dream life, self-improvement, fashion. So those are all for YouTube video templates. Then there's a TikTok template, an IG reel template, IG post template, empty page, and then you can make your own template. So if you wanted to edit the templates, all you have to do is click these 3 dots, and then it will come up with edit, duplicate, delete. So say I clicked this one. Now the emoji comes up over there, and this is the template. So basically all of them just say the goal, what value does this video bring to your audience? So you can delete that or change it if you want. And then underneath that is title ideas for that piece of content, then thumbnail ideas, and your video link once you've made it and uploaded it. And then under that is just research, other ideas, and notes. And it's in a toggle so that it looks nice and clean. And then underneath that is your script. All of these are in toggles. You just click it. So basically all of my content consists of 3 things: the intro, the main content of the video, and the outro. So that is the script, then description, and this is basically my description every single time. And I just copy and paste it once I've finished it when I'm uploading my video. So then there's B-roll list, which I actually never use, but maybe one day I will. Next is the editing checklist. And this is quite helpful when you're editing your videos and you just tick them off once you've completed them. And lastly, the publishing checklist. So this has just got everything you need to do when you're uploading your videos. You tick it off once you've done it, and then everything you need to do after you've uploaded it. And so that's everything that's inside of the content idea. And so it's different for the IG Reels, IG posts, and TikTok templates. But you can have a look at that. And so that is the content planner. Let me know if you have any questions, I'm happy to help. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it, and I just hope that you enjoyed it and found it helpful. I would really appreciate it if you could please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to join my dream community where we level up mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and emotionally. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Oh my gosh. I feel like I rushed that really fast. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. Okay.